In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam backup code when Steam Authenticator Guard fails. If you are locked out because your mobile authenticator isn't available, don't worry, your Steam recovery codes are designed for exactly this situation. I'll walk you through the process clearly, so you can get back into your account safely and quickly. First, open the Steam application on your computer, or go to the official Steam website and navigate to the login page. Using a trusted device and a secure internet connection is always a good idea, especially when you are dealing with account access. Next, enter your account name and your password just as you normally would. Take a moment to type carefully and make sure caps lock isn't accidentally on. If you are on a shared or public device, avoid saving your login details to keep your account secure. After you submit your login details, you'll see the Steam Guard prompt asking for a code. This is where you'll switch from the mobile authenticator to your saved recovery codes. Instead of entering a code from the app, enter one of your backup recovery codes. These are the single-use codes Steam provided when you first set up Steam Guard. They're meant to be saved somewhere safe. Many people store them offline or in a secure password manager. Type the recovery code exactly as it appears. These codes are case-sensitive, so pay close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, and keep any dashes or spacing just as shown if your codes include them. Be mindful of characters that look similar, like the letter O and the number 0. If you are copying and pasting, make sure you don't accidentally add extra spaces. If the recovery code is valid, you'll be granted access to your account right away. Remember, each recovery code is typically one-time use. If you see an error, double-check for typos and try another unused recovery code from your saved list. This doesn't change the process, it simply means you need to use a fresh code from the set Steam gave you. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.